Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I'm washing my hair. I'm still washing my hair on a weekly basis. So yeah, as usual, I start off by rinsing any residue that I might have until I feel like I don't have any product build up anymore. And you guys know my hair is thick, so I work with sections. It's really difficult for me not to wash my hair in sections. So today I'm using Keracare Moisturizing Shampoo. It's a cleansing and detangling shampoo infused with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. I love the smell of this shampoo. It really has a pleasant smell. It's very creamy. It's a sulfate-free shampoo that gently cleanses hair without stripping. So, the shampoo strengthens the hair, it promotes scalp health, it protects against breakage, it softens the strands. To be honest, it really is a very good hydrating shampoo. It leaves the hair soft and clean. I love it. This is a really good shampoo. So the coconut in this shampoo helps to condition and reduce frizz. There's also glycerin, which moisturizes dry hair. So after massaging the shampoo into the scalp, I rinsed it off with warm water, and now I'm using Africa's Best Hair Mayonnaise as my deep conditioner. So this was my first time to use this hair mayonnaise, and to be honest, I did not like the smell of this hair mayonnaise. It was just not it for me. But it really has a light and creamy consistence, and as I said, my hair is thick, so I ended up using a lot of the hair mayonnaise because it's not dainty. Also, the mayonnaise really has a good sleep. I didn't even struggle with detangling my hair. You guys know it really can be difficult to detangle natural hair, so I loved that it was really quick and easy for me to detangle my hair with this hair mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise has egg protein, it has vitamins and olive oil, which helps to condition and moisturize and strengthen damaged hair. So I'm just applying the hair mayonnaise from the roots to the ends of my hair. Then after that, detangle and twist the hair. Before I rinsed off the deep conditioner, I had to massage my hair. So I used a scalp massaging too. So massages, they help with increasing blood circulation, which helps to stimulate hair growth. So I do those every time I wash my hair, and also in the evening with a lightweight oil. So I'm just going to rinse off the deep conditioner, and after that I apply the leave-in conditioner. So my hair here is still wet, it's not dry. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So the Jamaican Black Castor Oil in this leave-in conditioner, as well as the shea butter, they help to nourish, moisturize the hair. They also support elasticity so the hair resists breakage. This leave-in conditioner is a good one. If you are experiencing breakage, you might as well just try to use this leave-in conditioner if you haven't used it yet. It really helps with strengthening the hair. So right now I'm just applying the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and after that I will twist my hair. I'll let you guys watch. Next, I'm going to use this oil. This is sweet almond oil. The oil supports hair growth. It also strengthens and repair hair damage. It strengthens the hair. It treats scalp condition and split ends. I love this oil. It's a very good lightweight penetrating oil. So I'm just applying the oil on my scalp and just rubbing some on my hair. Now that I have applied my leave-in and oil, it's so important that I seal in that moisture. So this is my own homemade hair butter, which I'm going to use as a sealant. So the butter has shea butter mixed with sweet almond oil, castor oil, and grapeseed oil. And all these oils, they help with strengthening the hair. They also help with stimulating hair growth. So I'm just going to apply the butter and twist my hair. I'll let you guys watch. So I twisted my hair into about 6 sections. I took the following picture the next day. I love my hair. My hair was clean. The afro was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.